iSpring RCC7AK 6-stage superb taste high-capacity under-sink reverse osmosis drinking water filter system with alkaline remineralization natural pH, white. 6-stage alkaline remineralization layered filtration, exclusively designed to restore the natural alkalinity and mineral balance of water. This reliable and ultra-safe reverse osmosis (RO) water filtration system converts your water into clean, pure, and healthy drinking water by removing up to 99% of over 1,000 harmful contaminants like chlorine, fluoride, lead, removes up to 98% arsenic, asbestos, sodium, calcium and more. Benefits: the iSpring RCC7AK water softener includes an additional 6th stage, an alkaline remineralization filter which restores healthy minerals and produces a balanced alkalinity which gives your water a more natural taste than regular 5-stage RO water filter. The RO membrane removes not only harmful pollutants but also a few helpful minerals. As a result, a standard 5-stage RO system produces slightly acidic water with a pH of 70 or below. Features beautiful European-style kitchen faucet, transparent first-stage housing for easy visual inspection, 3 extra long-life pre-filters to remove large contaminants and protect RO membrane, ultra-fine RO filter to remove contaminants down to 0.0001 microns, fine GAC filter to provide final polishing to the purified water, and Alaska filter to finally restore just the right proportion of healthy minerals and a natural alkaline balance. The end result is great tasting bottled water quality. Easy do-it-yourself installation. The water purifier is designed for do-it-yourself installation, and all necessary parts for installation are included, backed by clear, well-organized written instructions, instructional videos, and access to iSpring unparalleled technical support. The entire alkaline water filter fits nicely under a standard kitchen sink. For leak-free installation, simply push tubing. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.